This is UP86 here. Kind of sick, but there's been some sad news, and there's a kid in Cheyenne, Wyoming, who went, well, not exactly, he jumped on from a choo-choo track, jumped on one, and then, he committed suicide that way. Let's just put that. On Union Pacific property. His name is Alexander Fry, if you don't know, or you forgot, because JLWII 2000 posted a video about this. And if you guys want to talk to somebody about people bullying you, is why this kid committed suicide, because he was bullied, because he liked trains and stuff. He was called weird and stupid and stuff. And so he committed suicide by train. You know, if you're a model roader or even a rail fan or both, you know, we're sort of in a way kind of like a family, sorta. But you know, your real family is still family. Don't act like that they're not. But us rail fans and model railroaders are like family. So if you guys need help and you guys want somebody to talk to, just shoot me an email. I'll give you my email in the description, and I'll tell you right now, it's noahtrainfan@msn.com. My password is, I'm not telling you at all my password, so screw the password. You don't need my password. I mean, who wants the password? I know I don't. I'm gonna give you my password. So, yeah, if you guys want help, if you guys don't even have a YouTube channel, go ahead and just watch this video. Think, you know, me, JLWII, and JLWII 2000 and I are teaming up to put this to an end. We don't want people doing that because it's sad to hear about. So yeah, just shoot me an email if you want to talk. I'll give you